Now we go to the ROAS. Target ROAS is return on ad spend. How much are you getting back on your ad spend? So if you are giving $1 to Google, how much are you getting back? Are you getting back 10 cents or are you getting $10? If you are getting less than $1, that means you are making a loss. If you are getting 4 times or 5 times or whatever industry, depending on what you are selling, then obviously you will be making a profit. Now, the way to see this number is it is not called ROAS in the columns. It is called conversion value over cost. So let's say your conversion value is $1,000 you earn from your new leads or new customers, and then you divide that by let's say 100, which is your Google ad spend. That equals to $10. So what you are doing is you got a ROAS of 10. Every time you give $1 to Google, you are getting 10 back. So that's a profitable campaign. If after you've taken out your cost of goods and taken that into account, so whether it's profitable or not, I can't say, but let's assume that it is profitable. So the ROAS is worked over like this, where you divide your conversion value. Now, how do you get that conversion value? You must set up, for all these automated biddings, you must set up conversion tracking properly. Otherwise, it will not work. For e-commerce websites where you are selling products, you need to set up the dynamic conversion tracking, because every transaction will be different. Whereas on a lead generation, it will be just the same value, or a same, you can allocate a same value for each lead for your business. But when you're selling something from a shop or e-commerce website, every transaction will be different, every order will be different. Then you need to set up all your conversion tracking and your conversion value and link it, set it up properly, and then you'll be able to see that conversion value within Google Ads as to how much each keyword is bringing in the value for your campaigns. And then the valuable keywords you bid very aggressively, and the less valuable you bid a bit less. So conversion tracking is extremely important for each one of these. So the ROAS, target ROAS bidding, is for selling products. The target CPA is for lead generation.